Simplify the square root of 9 over 425. Take the square root of the numerator and denominator separately. The numerator is a perfect square. Its root is 3. In the denominator, 425 equals 25 times 17. The root of 25 is 5, so move it outside. The denominator still contains square root 17. Rationalizing removes that root. Square root 17 over itself equals 1. Multiply by this factor. The value stays equal. Multiply across the numerator, then across the denominator. On top, square root 17 remains. On the bottom, square root 17 times itself is 17. 17 times 5 is 85. The simplified exact value is 3 square root 17 over 85.